Today I'll show you how to sew a lettuce hem using your Serger 8280. It's super easy and you can usually find lettuce hems on t-shirts, especially on sleeve hems and crop tops. I'm using a stretchy t-shirt fabric so you can clearly see how the effect works. I'm also using a contrasting thread color to make the stitches more visible, but it's up to you. Now let's check the machine settings. Keep the stitch length at 1, the red dial part on your machine, and then set your machine to zigzag stitch. And set the tension around 3 to 3.5. Next, place the fabric with the wrong side facing up and fold the edge like this, and then start sewing along the edge. I'm using the hand wheel for the first few stitches and then starting to pedal. While sewing, gently pull the fabric from the back. This stretch is what creates the wavy lettuce hem effect. And once you reach the end, finish it off with a back stitch. Almost done. Trim the excess fabric. And then that's it. Your lettuce hem is done. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.